You always gotta do the make sure it's not in gear move for some reason. You don't question it, you just do it, alright? Alright, welcome back to a driving vlog. This is number 3. It's actually the sun's out. It's just really cloudy. Right now I actually just got done filming a video of my personal opinions and reviews on the Wrx. This is Coronado. If you've never been here, is a really great spot to come and kick it. It's the chill spot, as people say, the chill spot, you know. It's over there's the skyline. It's a fellow Wrx guy. What's up? What's up? Yeah, I drive Wrx too. Fellow people and great folks. Probably drive. Do you guys drive Subies? All right, cool. Yeah. So there's that. We got a man coming out. Okay, yeah, just no, yeah, you're good, yeah, just come on out. Yeah, no, you're fine, dude. You're totally fine. Okay, cool. Decided to pull over. Probably needs to take a shit. He's gonna take a shit on the side of the road. But let's continue on. Illegal U-turn, that's what I do best. Okay, she doesn't know where she's going. You dumb hoe. That turbo. I still want to get ASMR sounds of the turbo spooling, the exhaust. Obviously I don't have an exhaust, but a stock exhaust, I mean, sounds that it'll make. Dude, that sound, just the sound of the blow valve, it just hits you. It hits you right in the nuts. But it feels good. It feels really good. So am I supposed to say what's up to like all the Subarus, or just like Wrx's, or like what's up the deal with that, you know? Like, oh, what's up, Subi friends, Subies? Let's go vape at the parking lot of Subaru while we watch our Subarus. Maybe he wants to race. You want to race? You want to go? Do you want to race? We can race right now this turn. You want to race? You want to race? All right. You're a boss either way. It's your last chance. The light's gonna turn green if you want to race. Sounds phenomenal, amazing, orgasmic. This right here is the Coronado Bridge, folks. I won't be looking too much over there, but I mean, you can get the scenery as much as you can. Yeah, because obviously the GoPro's attached to my head, so I gotta pay attention over here, so I can't really look over here. I'm trying to, so you guys can get a cool little view of it. Alright, it's enough. It sucks that 2000 was getting there, but unfortunately it just couldn't hang. But it is gonna get rebuilt pretty soon. We are looking for a spot to rebuild it at, because I just can't rebuild it right there at the street. I gotta have my space. So there's that. Before we get started on that, I'm also gonna look at all the parts and things that I need in order to get this thing going smoothly with no issues. Pick up some speed. Fourth gear. Great. Fabulous. Awesome. We got up to about 110 there. But I am in Mexico, just letting you guys know I'm in Mexico. So don't report me to the police because I'm in Mexico. All these signs, they're just adapted. I'm in Mexico. Another Subi friend. What's up, bro? Shaka, bro. Subarus. Everybody knows hoverboards can't go over water. You need more power. It just came to my head. That's saying that. That's the only reason I said it. Go.
The most extraordinary straight people are taking dope. It's available anywhere at any time, and it's all over the place. If you want it, you can have it.
Come and talk shit. Who the boss, bitch? I'm on the crowd now. Randy my shit. Sharks swimming in the water, you'll get tossed in. The fucking first class. I'm in the
This is the most I've driven this car. Well, no, sorry. The most, like, pushing it. The most pulls I've done. Like, you're probably like, yeah, right, you've probably done it more, but no, honestly, like, I've never pushed the car as much as I pushed it right now. Getting up to those speeds. We're in a neighborhood now, so I usually do not speed in neighborhoods. That is a no-go for me, bro. I hate when people do it, so I'm not gonna do it. I know you're probably like, you just did some pulls. No, I really didn't. They weren't that crazy. So yeah, when I don't like when people speed through neighborhoods because it's dangerous. My car's parked on the street. You could lose control and crash, and then you're fucking me over. So I don't like that. I just don't like that in general. I'm pretty responsible when it comes to these cars. Another Subi friend. Yo, yo, yo! Vape, later on. Hit me up. Well, you guys, thank you guys for coming along this driving vlog. Check out my parallel parking skills. They're fucking awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Jeez, I'm fucking master. Thank you guys. Thank you for driving, Benny. See you on the next one.
Hold up, drop it quick and